man disrespect me and call my phone and in an argument with me, else me I go out and me and fuck up one and one time me do me not go feel bad about it. Cause me not call no on the phone.
Recommend a psychologist for this young lady, please.
I don't know from nowhere at all. You see any blood clot when I want to come on my business place, come try not with me and I go blood clot feel it. You hear me say? It a go come with a lot of consequences. You hear me say? Feel like say, Coco idiot, Coco soft, Coco idiot, Coco soft, Coco idiot. I take my cutlass and chop up your bumper clock, bitch. You hear that? I don't ramp with people, brother. I don't play with people. No feel no way about that. If you make me cross the right way, I fuck you up wicked, wicked, wicked. And nobody no hear back from you. Leave me alone. That's why I stay far from people. Leave me alone. Low blood clot me and leave me alone. And me can't blood clot catch you. Me use science. You hear that? Leave me alone. Leave me alone, brother. Me a human being too. Me a somebody too. Me deserve peace too. Me deserve respect too. Leave me alone, bumblehole. You know see Coco, I got nobody place I look problem with nobody. You know see me pull up on nobody place. One time I got some of them people at store, brother, I'll 30 grand me spend. Me I get one time I text people for IG and I buy things, I'll 10, 20,000. Me I spend money straight. Me no disrespect people. You hear me say? Leave me alone. You don't have to like me. You don't have to like what I do. You don't have to believe that I'm a good person. You don't have to. Don't call my business number and I look no problem with me and I talk certain things. It's me go fuck up your bumper clot. You hear that? And if anyone at uno make uno bumper clot mistake and come up on my shop when me up there and send it one tell I try to go like uno want come war blood clot me no not left from up there. Me not ask me lock uno up in there and fuck uno up. You hear me say? Alright. You hear me say though? Anyone who make that mistake will not go leave out in there. Alright.